Alright guys, we're at the Riviera compound. It's Deck Nash here and Derek D4 himself. And today we are installing a performance part that's gonna make the Corvette go so much faster. Like I'm talking about
1,000 wheel horsepower.
1,000 wheel horsepower because it already has 900.
No, it has 100. We're boosting up 900.
Yeah, we boosting it. Putting a deflator valve. This is definitely one of my favorites out of them.
Now that you've ridden in it?
Yeah. First ride, the 100 octane, because 93 plus 110
Plus 110 equals 100.
equals 100. Solution to pollution is dilution, right? Yes. So go fast or go home.
So right now, can we take over?
Yeah.
Alright, so right now, we have these T-handles here that we kind of... Oh, they're still hot, man! We're gonna have to cool these suckers down!
Yeah, we need to put gloves on and take them
Yeah, we
off.
might have to in a minute, or just wait a little bit longer. But we'll give a gist of what we're doing. So we need these on the Nova, and we want like, this would be like pretty nice. We want this looking nice, because this is like pretty nice. So we're gonna swap these over.
Yeah, we want it on...
Put in some high performance pieces.
Yeah, we want it on the Nova that's hiding in there.
Wait, what? No, not that Nova.
Sorry.
Nova. Other Nova. You don't get the Nova. They haven't seen the other Nova yet.
Yeah, that's a secret.
Check out these. Brand spanking new. These are Edelbrock, so they're really expensive and they do a lot. So these are high performance. They say like 50% power increase for each one.
Yeah, but my question is, why is there I can't say that name.
Oil?
There's oil on the...
Yeah.
But
Because of these caps, they're just like stupid.
yeah, but there's not an Edelbrock valve cover thing.
Yeah, we put the Edelbrock on here, remember?
Oh!
Look on this one. We swapped over the Edelbrock to here.
Yeah.
Did we actually swap those over? We were getting a nice Edelbrock air filter and whole housing. So, I feel like maybe these Edelbrock valve covers will...
Yeah, we kind of...
Yeah, we broke the hood.
I broke the hood.
You broke the hood?
Because I'm very special, as you know.
I thought I broke the hood.
No,
I think the hood was bound to break. We're getting a new one. Okay.
Yeah,
I
but
want
look.
to put up. But
Look,
check out that valve cover. Don't you think that would look proper?
That's brand new.
Brand new. We have a U.
It's got it.
Alright, let's just loosen them all at the same time, man. Maybe we should have done this first.
Yeah.
We wanted that 100 octane.
Before the thunderstorm came in.
Alright, what?
You guys want to see us chase the lightning?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Like tornado chasers, but lightning chasers.
Yeah,
Maybe Deck Nash will get struck.
It's like an animal, man. It's hot. Scary to touch. Alright. Now, out with the old and in with the new.
Yeah, look at that. That's Edelbrock right there. Cost about
$350.
$350 on a $350.
Oh yeah, we got that $350.
Guys, do you think this engine stopped? Oh hell no, it ain't.
Yeah, we got pistons, man.
Yeah. You know what else we got?
Oh, look at that baby pop.
You know what else we got?
What do we got?
Brand new,
What?
new brake.
Oh, master
New
cylinder.
brake master cylinder.
New brake lines, so it goes even faster.
Yeah. No, but we're not joking about the pistons. That's actually
Yeah.
reality.
Yeah, I got the guy told me the ratio, but soon when we're doing this is when we're gonna learn all about engines. So that'll be fun. Like we know like common sense, but like
Yeah, the deflator valve plus the transmission cooler
yeah,
equals
oh hey,
an extra 1,200 horsepower.
yeah. What else is new on this?
The seats.
Seats?
I'm making that up.
Oh, those are actually rare seats. A lot of them didn't have headrest. This is actually pretty rare, like, option car, because none of them really had the rear defroster on, and to have the headrest, the defroster and side pipes on it, it's actually kind of rare.
I don't know if you can see that, but we got the, you know. Ow! I'm joking.
Should we take the guards off so it looks cooler?
Nothing
Nothing under the bridge is actually a lot louder than I thought. Probably because the exhaust was right next to us. When it backfires, it hurts. Like, yeah, it's like, boom!
Spin it.
You are?
And a giant blower.
No,
I wonder how your dad would feel about that.
He'd be mad. You don't put a blower on this.
He'd be pissed at us.
We'll put it on the Nova. Those are made to have blowers.
Yeah.
He had a 63 Corvette with a blower. Not a blower. Dual ram intake. Oh, okay, that was hot.
Looked it.
Yeah, you can. Ooh, is this gonna? You might have to take the oil cap off. Just to. It's even hotter.
Do you want the...
That's hot. Why am I the one doing this? This seems like a Nash job.
Because I probably do it wrong.
Because I don't know how to loosen.
Lefty, tighty, righty, loosey.
No, they're both two.
Oh.
11 o'clock.
A Chevy 2.
Yeah.
That's a Chevy 2.
No, don't say Chevy. That's embarrassing.
What?
Leave a like if we should get Chick-fil-A.
Today, not tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today.
Today.
You guys are, there's something funny in the making too.
What?
1 second, I'll come back after I tell him to go.
Alright, we back in?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to tell him about the crashing of your car.
Right into a big giant wall.
Yeah.
My dad's gonna be pissed. He's a big man. I'm scared of him sometimes.
This is whatever you do, don't touch the valve cover, because this is hot. That's like hot.
Not our new hood.
Oh man, Declan, you owe me 300 bucks.
Oh crap! I already broke the hood, so I already owe him like 800. No, I already owe him like probably 8 grand.
I don't know how that came to you breaking the hood. Why'd you? How is it you breaking the hood?
I just blamed myself for it.
Oh, okay. I thought I did, but you know, Declan sucks, so. Man, this one's so awkward to get to, but at least it's not hot.
Like a deck Nash is opposite.
Man, if we were ever cold, just hop in this thing. It'll warm you right up.
Deco Nash is very ugly.
Good horsepower right there.
Shut the hell up.
Shut.
Oh, like, oh man, that's definitely an upgrade. Now we're gonna. I gotta take that apart. These apart real quick.
Oh.
Bruh. Here you go. You only made 20 bucks.
Hey,
Towel, man. That one's loose?
Yeah.
Huh. You broke it.
Oh, that is hot.
Well, that might have been the one that I touched first, and I was like, oh, that's hot. You know what I'm saying?
That's hot.
Yeah.
I don't
There.
like that.
You don't like it?
I don't like the hotness.
Come on, Deck.
Because it's the opposite of me.
Deck, you got it. Whatever you do, don't touch the valve cover or it's gonna hurt.
Ow!
Yeah, we need some ice cream or something. You better not have any knives in your pocket.
No. But I have,
What is this?
one in my wallet.
Get out. Get out. Take everything out of your pocket. You know the deal. I thought you would learn.
Okay, you ready for this, guys?
What the f...
Oh, yeah, my phone never charges, so.
Anything on the other side? Wallet. Okay. You were clean this time, but still.
You guys want to see how much cash I have?
Well, dude, don't be flexing on them. Damn.
I got a few papers that went through the wash.
See, Deck, that's how you do it.
What?
You loosen it.
I'm afraid.
You're okay. Don't force it if it's not threading easy, okay? Just letting you know.
I'm being very loose.
You're being very loose? No, we don't want it loose.
Oh. Yeah, not like my wheel.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a story time.
Yeah. We'll talk about, we'll get you on VinWiki, and he'll talk about how your wheel fell off.
Yeah. And watch whoever owns it. The VinWiki site is gonna be 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah, if this video gets 200,000 likes, Declan will eat a cucumber on camera.
No,
No?
I'll buy a Ford GT.
You'll buy a Ford GT? Okay, if you insist.
Oh jeez.
Oh jeez.
To like sell my parents' house without them knowing.
Without them knowing. Yeah, you might have to do the oil cap. If it, on the lower one might have to. Same with the
You do
dipstick.
that?
Oh my god.
Because I'm probably gonna screw something up.
Well, yeah, you should screw it. That's how you put it in.
What's your guys' favorite car?
Yeah, what's your favorite? What's your dream car? Comment below your dream car. And Declan, what's yours? Dream car. Like, wait, are we doing affordable dream car? Like, obtainable dream car? Or like full-on dream car? Full-on dream car. Alright, go.
Countach?
Countach. Very interesting.
Or Ford GT?
Don't put that, but no, we're gonna cut that one out.
Oh.
My dream car, I've been in love with these since probably about 2005 when they came out. It's a 2005 Ford GT, white with blue stripes. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You know what another one is?
What's another one? NSX.
Yeah, but
What?
something that
We have a dream car that's very specific. It's not
Actually,
like,
a
there's
few.
only one.
actually two.
The red one?
That no. The Corvette.
Oh, I don't want that.
I do.
Yeah, but Declan, we're not gonna drive that.
Yeah, but still.
Alright, we have a dream car that we want, that my dad built, so there's only one of them. I'm not gonna tell you what the model is, but it's a wide body. It's a pretty rare car. It's the 16th one ever made from the 70s or 71, I think. It's an Italian car, mid-engine.
What?
Something might be happening, but I gotta keep it secret.
All right. So now I'm gonna show you the finished product, and then I don't know what this is. And then is that it? I'm joking. And then what we're gonna do?
There he is.
Honda. Oh, and then we're gonna show you how much fast it makes it go.
It's gonna be like 12% fast.
No, 100%.
Oh yeah.
We only ride 100%.
Should I get my 100% goggles to go even faster?
No, but we're sponsored by
Yeah.
Shred Optics. If you guys think we should go to Chick-fil-A, you have to like the video. And it's going to be today, not tomorrow, today. And if you guys think we should go to Popeyes, you have to like and subscribe. But if you want us to go to McDonald's, you have to comment, yes, go.
Yes, go.
And if you want us to eat Burger King, you have to comment, baka baka.
Merch drop next week, letting you guys know. Sherman Auto Yes Go shirts are coming out. There's one. Oh, you're not gonna show them? Damn. Oh wait, that's not one.
Oh.
Oh wait. Is it? I farted. Sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, we get a white shirt and spray.
To start sharpieing on the shirts and start selling them. Alright, so what do you think the next mod for this should be? The Edelbrock intake? Or air cleaner? What, I don't know. Air filter? Whatever you call them on the old cars. Or should Declan get a toilet seat for the passenger seat?
No, a toilet.
What?
Toilet.
What?
Wait.
Or should we... Nah. Why not? Or should we do stuff to the WRX? Oh wait, you guys haven't seen that yet. My bad.
Or should Deck Nash
Should I post the old videos we took at Sherman?
get a wide body? Yes.
Remember those videos?
Yeah, once.
Should I post them?
once we release it.
What? No, that wouldn't make any sense.
Wait, okay, make sure you follow our Instagrams.
Yeah, Sherbin _auto. Declan will put them all on the screen.
And
Good luck. I'm not done yet.
they can follow my personal if they want.
No, they don't want to follow that. Get that bee out of my face. He's in my face. Punch it, punch it, punch it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, Declan just got. Oh, it's a murder hornet. Where is it? Oh, I can't even. Oh yeah, Declan, go punch it. Go punch it.
Wait, but yes, and you also have to follow.
Yeah, tag all the accounts right now. Go, go.
Hunter Green RSX, Declan Nash 10, wide bug eye.
No, you're forgetting the underscores, man. You gotta put
Wide _ bug eye, Tiger _ V2 _ FRS.
Yeah, there you go.
And
Now, hit up. Here, Declan just got a new whip. Alright.
if we get 100 subscribers, we'll show you some of the fleet, not the whole fleet, some of it, and then we're yeah. Alright, we're going in to Chick-fil-A because you guys like this video, and do you know what we're getting? You know what car we're gonna take? You know what car we're gonna take? You guys probably have no clue what car this is, but I think it's pretty special. Not gonna lie. I think it's special. Yeah, we're taking the RSX. For all my Honda haters out there, what's up? Do you like that?
What?
For all my Honda haters out there.
Declan loves being hated. That's why he's getting a Mustang next, so he can get even more hated. I'm
Yeah.
talking about a new one.
No, I'm talking about the ones that go in the crowd.
Yeah, like a 2005.
Alright guys, so we are going to Chick-fil-A. I'm in my RSX. It's messy. But yeah, so we're going to Chick-fil-A because you guys like this. And we're gonna roll out with the two not decent JDM car and the beautiful JDM car. Like, look at that. That's nice. But yeah, since you guys like this, we're going. Definitely. Alright guys, so we're at Chick-fil-A.